Here's an en route scenario that happens on occasion. We're VFR en route from Santa Barbara to North Las Vegas via the Hector VOR. As we get closer to the Silver North MOA, we check in with the center to see if the MOA is hot, and they say, yep, the MOA is hot. So we want to modify our route to take us around the MOA. With the smart chart, it's really simple. We can tap and hold on the leg near the MOA and rubber band the route around it. But when we let go of the rubber band, if we simply tap add this coordinate to the route, we create a little bit of a problem. The route now has a lat long coordinate in it. How are we going to find this route? Well, as everybody knows, lat longs are notoriously difficult to program into a certified GPS. No problem, we have a great tip. We're going to switch over to the IFR low en route chart. Now, you can easily see all the fixes and waypoints that are in your GPS's database, so we'll simply drag to one of those waypoints. In this case, WIG looks pretty good. And then we can switch back to the VFR sectional chart to check the terrain. I'll check my maximum elevation figures, make sure I'm pretty good. This is my map integrity check. And now you have an easy route change to enter into your aircraft's GPS. So early one morning, I'm in the Cirrus SR-22 flying from Burbank to San Francisco International to go flying with some airline friends, and I get not one, but 4 reroutes. And unbeknownst to me, the route is actually broken, and I only determine this once I enter it into the iPad. So let's look at Jeppesen Mobile Flight Deck here with the reroute. So I'm going to set the map up. I want you to see that there's Big Sur, and in the upper left-hand corner, I've got Salinas. Now I'm going to pull down the route box. I'm going to go to the route. I'm going to enter in that clearance that air traffic control gave me. So after Victor 248, it was Sardo, Rank, Victor 485, Karn, and then Woodside. I'm going to press the apply button and watch what message Jeppesen Mobile Flight Deck gives me. It says, invalid route detail, invalid route via Victor 485. I go back to air traffic control. They give me the correct route. They say, yeah, it's actually the Lick intersection after Victor 485. So I enter in Victor 485, Lick, L-I-C-K-E, then Woodside. I hit apply. Jeppesen Mobile Flight Deck takes it. I get rid of the pull down, and I do my little map integrity check here just to make sure the route structure looks good. Now, if I had entered that broken route into ForeFlight, ForeFlight would give me this message: no joy, Airway Victor 485 does not contain Karn. So I would go up to the route selection here. I'll come on in, I'll get rid of Karn. I change it to Lick. I hit search. And now I do my map integrity check. I'm checking the MEAs along the airways. I'm checking my Orokas. And I'm making sure I'm very happy with the route structure. This is my map integrity check. And now you can see that smart charts handle reroutes very well. In fact, honestly, I'd rather handle a reroute on the smart chart than on paper.